Yeah, I don't know if
It'd
he's
be
gonna.
hard to get it in the hole though.
Yeah, I don't know if they're gonna fit in this hole.
Oh yeah. It'd be a pretty big catfish if it didn't fit in that hole.
Yeah.
But you need a lot stronger line.
Yeah. And if a catfish was able to fit through an 8 foot hole or 8 inch hole, I think it would work. If they're small enough. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Oh, I just seen fishing game go by.
Oh yeah.
And he just went this way.
Oh.
I don't know, he was driving.
Eh?
I guess he was driving.
Oh.
I don't know. Didn't see. I did put the fish on the tailgate, so in a little pile. So